Hello, fellow freelancers. So, first of all, as I've been saying in the videos lately, I want to, if you want to leave a comment, please feel free to leave a comment. But if you do, please write down your language combination. You can do it in parentheses or whatever you want right before your comment, right? Like English to Portuguese or French to Arabic or whatever it is. Or you can use the abbreviations and then write whatever comment you want. Once again, I'm trying to get people to do this because I think it'll make it more interesting so you can see what other language combinations and what other types of languages people deal with in their translations. You don't need to be a full-fledged translator yet to be doing this. Even if you're just interested in becoming a translator, basically what your two languages, what your language combination will be, if you can write that before any comment you make down below. Done with that, today I want to talk about the holidays, whether it be Christmas or Hanukkah or whatever it might be. Nowadays is the season for holidays in many, many, many different countries. And as usual, when we have the holidays, I want to come out with my holiday message, which doesn't really vary, but I'm going to give it again this year. And as you'll notice, this should, in fact, it should be out a bit before the holidays or a bit before Christmas, let's say, or something, or maybe during the holidays, I guess. And my message to you is to get to work. And I say this every time. What I really like about the holidays, obviously, the holidays I'm spending with my family, and we're going to have a great time and all that. But I also try to be available. We're freelancers. We can work from wherever, and we can find time here and there to work. I try to make myself available. During the holidays is a great time to start working, especially when you're first starting out. Because if someone needs a job done during these holidays, you can be sure that it's pretty urgent. Because it's rare that you need something done, so it'll be pretty urgent. B, it's very hard to find someone to work on it because so many people take this time off. Even if they don't usually celebrate it, they know everyone else is, and so they kind of take it easy during this time. And so, therefore, it's a great time to get started off because if you can get known to a client, first of all, you have less competition. Second of all, if they know you're available during a time like this, they remember something like that. You stand out as kind of the hard worker, the one who was there when other people weren't. And so it's very good during these holiday times to make yourself available. And so I try to do so, and I certainly think you should as well. At least make yourself available because chances are someone will be looking for jobs and be posting them on all the various websites. So make yourself available and show that you can work on this stuff. And hey, you might even be able to charge a little bit more because it's during the holidays. If you're first starting out though, I wouldn't even bother with that. I would just try to gain some traction, and this is a great time to do it. So my holiday message to you is to enjoy it, but also to work. And hopefully, it can build up to something and it really makes it worth it. These holiday times can really be a time to, to kind of increase it and level up, and get to the next level of whatever you're trying to do just because you can kind of take advantage. You can leverage this. It's sort of arbitrage almost, because other people are gone. And if you make yourself available, suddenly you stand out, there's less competition, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Anyway, hopefully you can find this useful and hopefully it can motivate you a bit to kind of make yourself available and get some work done even during the holiday season. And although I know I like to relax too and I will relax and all that, but I can usually find time here and there to work on a little something depending on what needs to be done. So hopefully you find this useful. If you do, don't forget to click thumbs up. And so I know what's useful, what isn't. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And otherwise, and don't forget also in the links below, I always have in the links below, I have a link to my course. The cheapest place to find my course is the link below while the coupons last. I also have access to Skillshare if you want, because the course is on Udemy. I also have it on Skillshare though. If you want to try out Skillshare, 2 free months for the premium access to Skillshare, I have a link down below for that. I also have links for, I offer a bunch of, consulting services, like either to review your resume, to review your online profile, or just face-to-face consulting services, stuff like that. You can find links to all that down in the description, in the doobly-doo, as they say. You just need to fill out a questionnaire for that. And there's a link to my book as well and stuff like that. Anyway, that's all in the description. Have happy holidays, have a Merry Christmas, and have a good time. And I do hope you're able to use this as well in order to increase your business. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye. Savedum.